Yes, please give me a response in Q&A, guys. Hey, good morning to everyone. My name is Abdul Rahman. Okay, I am a salesforce trainer, and today I'm going to teach you about end-to-end, what is the agent, and what is the Salesforce in Salesforce, how we need to create the agent, and everything we are going to learn very deep dive. And before that, I just want to know my voice is audible or clear to everyone. Okay, Rajashri, my voice is not clear. Okay, and others, my voice is audible to everyone and clear everyone, guys. If it is yes, please give me a response to Q&A so I can able to continue the session. So if there is any network issue, so I will resolve the network issue as soon as possible and based on your response, guys. Guys, I'm telling you, my voice is audible. My voice is clear to everyone. If it is yes, please give a response in Q&A so we can continue the session. Okay, yeah, Ganapati. You can give me a response in Q&A, Ganapati. Okay, thank you, Thiru. Okay, sorry. I'm not telling your full name. Just I will call like Thiru. It's okay, right? Okay, so we can continue the session. Before that, I just want to introduce myself. Hey everyone, good morning. My name is Abdul Rahman and I'm a sales developer. I'm having overall 10 years of experience as a sales domain and along with trainer as well. Okay, today we are going to learn about the agent force in sales. What is the agent force and why we need to use why we need to use the agent force in Salesforce? What is the purpose of Salesforce is generated agent in Salesforce? This is the main big thing we should have to think. Why means the Salesforce without reason he will not able to create a AI or agent, correct? If you are doing something, if you are generating something, there is some response and some example or any reason. That's why you have created something. Okay, so in Salesforce also like a few of them they have issue with the records and issue with the some data and issue with the uh, late context to send the email to the particular person. Okay, so here if I want to send an email to one customer, okay, I should have to type manually, or else I should have to take help from ChatGPT or any other services I should have to take from help for the context. Correct. So in this time, if I if I want to send an email to that particular client about his data, whatever the data is stored in the Salesforce, the data I want to share, I want to write an email to the particular person. Yes, successfully, we have received your data, and we are updating data as soon as possible. I'm going to share that email to the particular person. So if I write the manually, right, then it will take hardly 15 minutes or 10 minutes, if I'm not wrong. Correct. So in this time, what I will do, I will take help the agent force, like agent. I'm just telling a prompt in that agent, like I want to send an email to my client. So this is a data, give me a response. And agent, what it will do the agent exactly? The agent, it will do exactly in Salesforce, whatever the data is there about him. So those data, uh, an agent, it will be give a response. And that response directly it will send to the client. We don't want to insert the Gmail as well. Like in that prompt only, what I'm telling, this is so and so name about, and this is he is my client. I want to share the data to him. That's it. I'm writing a prompt, simple prompt. This is a contact name, and for this person, I want to share the records. I want to share the whole records to the particular person. Okay. So agent, in that time, agent, what it will do? It will search. It will search the data about him, the person it is there or not in Salesforce. In Salesforce, the person it is there or not, as per the person and whatever the data is stored, those data the agent, it will share to the client very easily within few seconds, and the time also reduce, and also there is no kind of stress to take to write a manual email. Like everything it is possible with the agent. Correct. Like that way, this is example only. Like this way, so many, like this way, so many things we can use with the help of the agent, with freely, with friendly. And based on the what is the main thing here? The main thing, it is a prompt. If you're using a prompt very good, then the response it will be absolutely good. The agent it will give to us. Okay. So now today we are going to start. Today we are going to learn something that may be new for some of you, but it is but it is becoming mandatory across industries. Like yeah, just now I have explained you right about the agent. And this session is not about a tool and a company or a job role. It is about to how modern system work, and that can understand intent, make decisions, and take actions on their own. Clear, everyone? Is everyone clear till now? Everyone clear till now? Okay. Yeah. Swami, Jermo, Manikandan. Mugundan. Yeah, Parshuram. Yes, Ramanan. Yes, yes, Ali. Yes, Selva Kumar. Yeah, Taufik. Hey, good morning, Pavania. Okay. So, so before that, do you all know about what is the Salesforce? Anybody tell what is the Salesforce? Any one line definition? So I can go deep dive and I will explain thoroughly with the help of screen. If anyone know, yes, sir, this is a Salesforce definition, and so I will think yes, we can go through it very deep dive. Can anyone tell me what is the Salesforce exactly? What is the mean by the Salesforce? Okay, can anyone? Okay, Deepak. Guys, please give me a response in Q&A so I can realize, yes, you're all active. Okay, Sabia, very good. But you have explained about the sales definition. Okay, I appreciate what you have explained. But it's not a sales, it's a sales force. Yes, yeah, I will explain it thoroughly. Oh, just a minute. My screen is visible to everyone. My screen, guys, if it is yes, please give me a response. My screen is visible to everyone. Okay, okay, very good. Okay, so I will show you what we are going to learn. Exactly what is this for the what is the session for this? Okay, you see here, and it's a session about the Salesforce. Salesforce in that agent. Salesforce and in Salesforce, how we are going to create the AI. Agent force is nothing but a AI. Okay. Before that, before that, okay, 2 years before, there is no AI in Salesforce. 2 years before, there is no AI in Salesforce. Okay, after the work is there are a lot of work and employees are not able to hand. They are taking so much of time while creating emails, while creating a record, while creating any some activity. So in this time, they have introduced the agent force. So when they introduce the agent force, right, the work it will be totally the time it will be totally reduced. Now people can work very freely. Now before that, I want to just tell you about the sales force. What is the sales force? What is a sales force? Exactly. Okay. The sales force is a CRM platform means CRM in the sense, you know, right? Everyone, I hope, customer relationship management. Okay, customer relationship management, and it's a cloud. We can able to say cloud as well. Management. Okay, in that, whatever whatever client requirement about his application, that requirement salesforce developer people can fulfill it. People fulfill it. Okay, so see here, the salesforce is a it's a customer list management, and for example, I'm have you know phone pay, right? Phone pay or Amazon, like in that, everyone using a phone pay, correct? Everyone using a phone pay, and everyone using a yes, very good, Thiru. We are going to learn the agent blazer as well before that, and everyone should about know, I mean, what is the sales force, then only we can able to understand about the trailhead, like agent blazer, correct? Yes, very good, Jaya. It's a Salesforce is the cloud-based CRM platform which managing sales, marketing, and customer service. Yes, very good. It's a good definition. Okay. And see here, the Salesforce is a customer relationship management which we can, which is a client requirement that the Salesforce developer will he can able to fulfill. He can able to fulfill. Okay, so now for example, you can if you're using a phone pay or if you're using Amazon Pay, and in the phone pay, let's assume we are not having a support like a chat support. There is no contact support in that phone pay. Just we are sending a money and we are receiving a money, we can able to chat to our friends in phone pay, correct? So in that, if I send money 1,000 rupees to my friend, then some something happened about the network issue, and in that time my amount is not credited to my friend's account. So it's struck. My amount is struck, and my amount is debited from my account. Amount is debited from my account. So in this scenario, if I want to take a support, correct? If I want to take a chat support, if I want to take a customer, so there is no option. There is no option customer support in that phone pay. Let's assume. So in this scenario, what you can able to do? And just anyone think you are a client, you are a phone pay owner, you are a phone pay CEO, and you have, I mean, you have not created a contact support in your application. So your customer sending a money to another person, and that amount is struck, and behalf of the amount is deducted as well. And in this scenario, he is approaching to you. So how he will approach? There is no customer support in the phone pay. Anyone guess? So what you will do? So what you will do? So what is the next step you will take? Anyone? Mm. Okay, so I will tell. So if it is no customer support in that phone page, then there are a lot of customers that facing a issues. There is no contact support to raise a complaint, to raise a ticket. So in this scenario, then what I will do, I will think yes, I should have to create a customer support in my phone pay application. So again, what I will do, I will approach to Salesforce people, and I will discuss my requirement, what I need to be create in that application. And the client is telling like, yes, I want to create customer support in my application, so please do it. So the Salesforce will, what they will do here, they can able to create the customer support in Salesforce sorry, in phone application. So in that time they can able to uh, very easy to create, very easy to create a ticket, very easy to create a customer support, correct? If the customer support is there in that application. Okay, like this way, it's a fulfill the requirement. Like whatever the requirement, then you should have to keep only one mind here. So what does Salesforce do? What does Salesforce do means the Salesforce do what is the client requirement and his application, and the Salesforce people, they will fulfill the requirement without any hesitation and without any mistake. The help of the best practice as well, they will fulfill the requirement. They will fulfill the customer's requirement. Okay, so now here, what is the next step? So what is the next step here? So first of all, we should have to know about what is the Salesforce. It is a company. Okay, it it is in San Francisco. Okay, and the Salesforce is a company. Like, don't think it's a like it's a platform or it's a cloud. There is no, it is not a platform, it is not a cloud, it's a company. Just Salesforce is a company, and it is where it is located, it is in San Francisco. um, Salesforce launched in 1999. 1999. Okay, and who is the owner, who is the CEO of Salesforce? Guys, who is the CEO of Salesforce? Anyone? Who is the Salesforce of CEO? Anyone? Guys, anyone? Who is the Salesforce of CEO? Okay. Who is the Salesforce of CEO? Mark Binoyev. Okay, and he's a Salesforce CEO, guys. Who companies launched in 1999, and who is the owner? The owner of Salesforce is Mark Binoyev. And in that, in Salesforce, they can make, they can use SAS and PAS. What is a SAS here? And what is a PAS? SAS is SAS in the sense, yes, very good. Like Martinez. And what is the SAS, guys? Wait, what is what is meaning of SAS? Software as a service. Okay, what is the meaning of PAS? Very good, Narashun. Okay. And what's the meaning of PAS? Platform as a service. Okay, very good. Platform as a service. Okay. So when Salesforce is launched, right? The Salesforce is launched in 1999. In that time, they are using only SaaS. Using only SaaS, software as a service. Like wherever, if you want, if you're having some issue in your application, they are going to fix it off, and that application they are um, uh, uh, you are showing live as well with the help of the internet. Okay. And if you're having some issue in your application, they are going to fix. Like what is meant by application? What is meant by fixing here? If if it is an existing application, and the application it's live currently. Till now, the application is not live, or the application is live, and in that application we are going to add something, we are going to modify something, then it is considering software as a service. Example, this way it's a just example. Okay, so you can tell like this example, and after that PaaS. What is the PaaS here? Platform as a service, which it is a new one. Like we are going to create a platform. We are going to create a platform as a service. Like if you're having a requirement about the platform, like I want to create this application, I want to create overall end to end. So it's a we are creating a platform, and after that we are delivering the platform to our client. It is called it as a PaaS, platform as a service. Okay, guys. Very good. A cloud computing model that provides developers with a platform to build, deploy, and manage applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure path. And it's a correct, guys. Mathani, I mean, I mean, she's telling it correct. But in this is the example. This is the example. If this example, if someone, if you're telling to someone, then he can't able to get it properly. Yes, actually, I'm not getting the properly. I can understand the English, but this heavy words I can't able to use. I mean, I can't able to understand properly. So in this time, you should have to take one simple example, like I have what I have told, whatever the requirement, whatever the, I mean, the customer want to build end-to-end project, end-to-end platform. Then the Salesforce people, they will do a platform with end-to-end. There is whatever the requirement is there, the requirement it will be fulfilled about client requirement. It is called it as a PaaS. Okay. And if it is the existing, if it is an existing customer, I mean, if it is an existing application is there, in that we want to modify something, we want to add something, then you should consider in software as a service. Software as a service. Clear to everyone? Okay. So here, so this is a basic understanding. Okay. So and next part. And if you want to understand about overall of Salesforce, then you should have to go to start data model. So what is your data model, guys? Guys, still not SAS and PAS understood, right, everyone? Yes, everyone. SAS and PAS understood, right? And please, can you please tell me what is meant by data model? Mm, yes, very good. And then blueprint organize data, the shows the relationship between data elements. Data, it's a blueprint. Blueprint, yes, very good, Firdaus, and very good, Dhanlakshmi, very good, Indo, and very good, Jaya. And okay, we can able to say like this definition as well, and it's very nice. Data model. Data model is a blueprint of data elements and define the relationship between them. Okay, very good. It's very good. It's a very good definition, and you can prefer this definition as well. Okay. Anashmi, okay, and Durga, very good, Durga. The structure framework defines the organization related and access the data information system. It is the main elements. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, guys, can you please tell me what is mean by object? Like in every data model, we can able to see the object. Correct? Object in the sense it's a stored related or else a database. Then what is that? Object means what? In every data model, then you should have to keep in mind in every in Salesforce, we are going to tell a data model. In the data model, what we are seeing, what we can able to see. You can able to see the first point is object, and second is field, and third one is relationship. These three concepts is comes under the data model. Relationship. Okay. In data model, you can able to see these three concepts, these three main thing, guys. It's a main only three things you can able to see the data model. Like the data model simple example is uh, object is real world entity. Mhm. Okay. Okay, very good. So I'm going to tell you the simple example of the data model. See, for example, if you want to construct a building, so you can't able to construct like blindly. Like you can't able to start a construction at a time, correct? Then what you need to do, you need to make a plan. You need to draw a sketch like how many bedrooms you want on this place and how many restrooms you want and how many balconies you want and um, what is the area of kitchen, like everything you should have to plan. For that plan, what we need to do, we need to design one this one, what is it, plan in that, in the system or else in the paper. Like this is a data model, it's a structure, it's a data structure based on the data structure only, we are going to identify, yes, in this plan, I'm going to see three rooms. In this plans, I'm going to see two restrooms. And in this plan, I'm going to see two balconies. Like that, we can able to identify where, very good with the help of the structure. It is called it as a data model. Clear, everyone? Okay, so now what is the object? So we have created say for example, I want to construct a building, so I make a plan uh, and I'm having a blueprint, a sketch. So this is a plan. According to this, I should have to build. This is data model. That's the data model I'm having. So here, what is the object here? The object in the sense, um, of, let's say, uh, room, one master bedroom. Okay, you can able to see one master bedroom. That is the one object. Example, I'm telling one master bedroom, one object, and in that master bedroom, you can able to see few things. The things, it is a fields. FIELDS fields. Okay, and the fields in the sense, like what you can able to insert here in that fields, uh, like mm, and cupboards and beds. The field, it is a bed, and cupboard, it is a field, and mirror, it's a field, and some things you should have to include in the master bedroom. Okay, it is a one record, like object and fields, and in the fields, the fields is empty. Then in that fields, we should have to enter the data. Then the record, it will be create. The record, it will be create. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, and for simple example, very simple example, I'm going to tell you here. Okay, uh, let's assume. Okay, I'm going to open a sheet. I'm dealing with the object, guys. I'm dealing with the object example and field example and record example. Okay, think it's Excel is the object. Think it's a Excel is the object, and what is the field? In that, inside the object, the object name is customer info. Okay, the object name is customer info, and in that, in the customer info, I'm going to insert the fields. What fields I'm going to insert? Name, email, phone. Okay, and address, then mm, experience, date of joining. So this is a fields. Okay, I have created one object. The object name is customer info, and in that, inside the customer info, what I can able to see, I'm able to see fields. It's empty. There is no records. There is no data. So now I'm going to insert the data here. Text one example. Okay, and email. Okay, and phone and address and experience and date of joining Okay. So in this object, can anybody tell me how many records I have created in this object? How many records I have created in this object? In customer info object, how many records I have created? Anybody guess? Very good, Vathani. How many? Nine records I have created. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Nine records I have created in this object. So in this fields, insert the field, I am inserting a data. This is a data. Okay. It's a one record. It's a two record. It's a three record, four record, five record, six record, seven record, eight record, nine record. Okay. It's a customer info I have created. Correct. So now I want which company he's the customer, right? He's the customer, correct? That H1 is the customer and he's having 2 years of experience and the date of joining it is. So he's from which, I mean, previous, which company he's from. Like I want to insert, right? I want to create that object also. For example, I have created another one object. The object name is, let's say, Wipro. The object name is Wipro. Okay, the object name is Wipro, and that Wipro object I have connected a relationship right here. So in this Wipro object, see, this is a customer info object. Okay, it's a customer info object, and it's a another object. It's a like um, Wipro org object. Wipro org object. Okay, and in this customer info object, how many records I have created? Nine records, correct? In this object, I'm having overall nine records. Okay, nine records with different data, with different records, with different name and different customers. Now, this is a one object and this is a one object, correct? So now what I have been, I have connected a relationship with this object to this object. Okay. What I have done in Wipro object, what I do in Wipro object, I have added a customer info. Okay. In Wipro object, what I done, I have added a relationship. I have added a relationship customer info object in that Wipro object. So in this nine people who are worked previous company as a Wipro, and we can able to enter the data in this company in this object. Like let's assume three records. Okay, these three people worked as a Wipro previous company, now currently working as a new organization, and we are not. Let's say Smart Bridge. The Smart Bridge is a new organization, and in that Smart Bridge they are working. They are working currently. Those three people and previous company where they have worked, they have worked on Wipro organization. Okay, and this is how you need to connect. This is how you need to connect a relationship between one to one object. Is what's a relationship means, guys? We are going to connect one object to other object. We are passing a data one object to other object. For example, this is a Wipro object and the customer info, correct? In Wipro, we are adding a object. We are adding an object. Which object we are adding? We are adding a customer info object. In Wipro, we are adding a customer info object. Okay, it's a relationship. I have added a relationship with which object? Customer info relationship. Understand very carefully, guys. It's an interview question. In Wipro object, I'm adding a relationship customer info object. Okay, So here you should have to think Wipro org is a child, Wipro child, and parent who, and which is a parent here? Customer info object is a parent. Okay. Customer info object is a parent. So you should have to understand here in which object we are adding. In that in Wipro object, I'm adding customer info object. Okay. In Wipro object, I'm adding a customer info object means the Wipro it will become child and customer info object it will become parent. And it's a basic understand about the relationship. Clear? Clear everyone? Everyone clear? Guys, everyone clear? Okay. So, and for this case, and now we are going to start about the object. How many objects we are having? Objects. How many objects we are having here? The first one is standard object, and the second one is custom object, and third one is external object, and fourth one is big object. Okay. So how many we are having here? Darshini? No. Okay. Okay. Fine. Wait. I'm going to explain very clearly. Everyone, please don't panic. This is a new, right? So so it will take some time. Like just give me half an hour or else 15 minutes. You can able to understand very clearly. This is a basic understanding about the object and field and the data model. And whenever I do a practical, right, then you can able to understand very clearly. Okay. And just in the Salesforce, we're having a object. How many types of objects we can able to see? There are four types: standard objects and custom objects and external object and big object. What is in my standard object and what is in my custom object and what is in my external object and what is in my big object? And the standard object in the sense it's a pre-built object. It's a pre-built object Salesforce given to us. It will not able to delete and it will be a standard only. Like standard in the sense. Okay. Yeah, Akash. See here. In Salesforce, we're having a objects. They're having four types of objects here. The first one is standard object, and the second one is custom object, and third one is external object, and fourth one is big object. And here, what is meant by standard object? It's a pre-built object which is Salesforce is giving to us. Like, what is the pre-built object here exactly? The pre-built object in the sense account, contact, opportunity, case, lead. Okay. This is a pre-built objects. It's a standard. This is and these are all the standard objects. And here, what is the custom object? The custom object means which we are going to create as per the client requirement. As per client requirement, we are going to create custom object. Okay. As per client requirement, we are going to create the custom object. Now, what is the external object? Yes, it's a repeated data stored outside the salesforce. See, yeah, Jaya. Okay, below topic, Akash. Which one, Akash? This one only, right? Objects, right? See here, in external object means which we are pulling the data from other system to other. Like for example, this is your system, and this is your friend system, and in this system I'm going to create. I have created one object that the object name is uh, customer. Customer. Okay, the object name is customer, and we can't able to pull standard objects. Why means in our system also we having standard objects, and his application also he can able to see the standard objects. So you can't able to pull the standard objects. You can able to pull only the custom objects which they had created. And your friend is created a customer, it's a custom object, then you can able to pull the custom object to your application. That is called it as an external object. That is called it as an external object. Okay. Now, big object. The big object means in standard object, in custom object, you can able to perform 50,000 to like 5 millions of record. 5 million, yeah, 50, 550. Yes, 5 million of records you can able to store in one object. In one object, how many records? The recording is in these are all. Okay, this is the object. And how many records we can able to insert here? 5 millions of record we are going to insert in one object. So if you want more, records, if you want more data, so we should have to go through with big object. We should have to go through with big object. In the big object, you can able to insert the massive data. 50 billions of record you can able to insert at a one transaction. Clear? Everyone? Everyone clear? So after that, we are going to start like after relationship, we are going to move overall the agent force. Okay. Okay. Dharani, you can write. Jaya understood. Dinesh, Akash. Okay. So now the relationships. Types of relationships. Okay. They're having a we're having a how many types of relationship? We are having a three types of relationship. The first one is lookup. Second one is master detail, and third one is junction object. Object or many to many relationship. Okay. So you can able to see junction object or you can able to see many to many relationship. Okay, types of relationship we are having a three types, which is lookup, master detail relationship. Okay. And look, what is a lookup? It's a loosely coupled relationship. Okay, it's a loosely coupled relationship, and it's a loosely coupled relationship. In one object, in one object, we can able to add 38 objects, 38 objects, or 40, or 40 if we are not using, if we are not using master detail, then we can add 40 if 40 objects if we are adding master detail, then we can add 38 objects. Okay, 38 objects. Now master detail. In master detail means it's a tightly coupled relationship, and also if you delete child, okay, if you delete parent child, it will not delete, child will not delete, because child is not a depend on parent. Okay, and master detail, it's like it's a tightly coupled relationship. If you delete parent child, it will delete, automatically. Okay, because child, it will depend on parent, and you can only add two objects, you can only add two objects in one object. It's a master detail. See here, in lookup you can able to perform overall 38 objects in one object. You can able to call how many objects? 38 objects in one object. Okay, if you are not using master detail right in a particular object, you can perform overall 40 objects. You can overall perform 40 objects. In master detail, it's a tightly coupled. If you delete the parent child, it will be deleted automatically. It is called as a tightly coupled relationship. And within that, you can able to add two objects only. Okay. And whenever creating a master detail, right, then you should have to think twice. Like if you created once, then the master detail, it would be link every activity in Salesforce, because there is having a high security level. The master detail, while you're creating a master detail, right, it's having a high security level. So when you have created a master detail relationship, that relationship, it will be connect to every activity in Salesforce. The lookup, it will not like that. The lookup is having a low security access, and if you delete the parent, then the child, it will be not delete automatically, because it will be not depend on the parent. And here the tension object. This is a main important, the tension object. Understood, right? Lookup and master detail. Everyone. lookup and master detail. Guys, guys, everyone, please give me answer in Q&A. Just tell me how many types of relationships we're having in Salesforce. How many types of relationships we're having in Salesforce? Guys, everyone, please give a response in Q&A. Okay. Which, what are the types? What are the types? Guys, everyone, please give a response in Q&A. Okay. Which, what are the types? Okay. What are the types? See here. Now the junction object. Okay, the junction object is just complex. Understand very clearly here. Let's assume I'm having three objects. The first object name is product. Okay, and the second object name is uh, case. See, customer support. Okay, and third object name is customer. Product, case, product, customer support, and customer. Okay, now in this three object, which is a junction object? Product, customer support, and customer. I'm having three objects. Understand very clearly, guys. And who having a marketing knowledge and who having a business knowledge, they can able to answer very quickly because they can understand very easily here, which is a junction object. So here, which is a junction object here? Product, customer support, or customer. In this three object, which is a junction object, guys. Yes, very good. Yes, very good, Gavia. Very good, Vatani. Very good, Sabiya. Yes, Akash, very good. So just tell me in these three objects, which is a junction object? Guys, in these three objects, which is a junction object? Product, customer support, customer. I'm having three objects here, which is a junction object. Anyone? So junction object means it will one product can have multiple cases. Like if you purchase a washing machine or else if you purchase a refrigerator, in that you can able to defect few things, not one thing. Like if you open the fridge, then you can't able to see a light, and if you close the door, I mean you can able to hear some noise in that fridge, and if you like you can able to find different lot of defects in one product. Means one product with many cases, one customer with many cases, correct? One product with many cases. So here exactly product and customer support and customer. And one customer can buy multiple products, and a customer can raise many cases as well. Okay. Okay. And now, which is junction object here? The junction object is customer. That is called as a many-to-many relationship. Means the one customer can buy multiple products, and one customer can create many cases on one product. This is called as a many-to-many relationship. And in this, and in interview also, he can able to tell like this example only, and you should have to think and you should have to give proper answer, which is a junction object. Like one customer can buy multiple products, and one customer can create multiple cases on one. Clear? Everyone clear? Guys, okay. So now we are creating a org. So I'm going to show you how you need to sign up. Okay, first of all, we should have to go here. What developer edition sign up. Okay, and you can able to see first step. I will get step one. It's a editions. Okay, I forget to tell you one thing here. In Salesforce, we're having editions. Enterprise edition, and third essential edition. Number fourth, unlimited edition. Number fifth, developer edition. Okay, so it's in editions. See, we are practicing in developer edition. Okay, now we are practicing in developer edition. It's a free of cost. You don't want to buy anything. Okay, it's a free of cost. You can practice and you can develop your skills in this developer edition only. The Salesforce is given to us, and remaining four editions, it's a payables. Those in companies they are using. If you got a job, then you can able to see it. Then you can able to work on professional edition. You can able to work on enterprise, or else you can able to work on essential, or else you can able to work on unlimited, because based on the client requirement, based on the project, and they are going to use in these four editions anyone. Okay, And now for practice purpose only, the Salesforce is giving to us a developer edition, which we are going to sign up. Okay, so you can able to see this link. Just click that link. I will chat also. Okay. Now now it's audible, everyone. Now it's audible, guys. Uh, now it's audible, everyone. Everyone is facing the same issue, or Vathani and Jaya only facing the same issue? Okay, okay, okay. Like everyone is facing the same issue. Just hold a minute, guys. I'm just fixing my network. Now my voice is audible to everyone. Is having an issue, or guys, everyone? My voice is audible to everyone. Hello, guys, everyone. My voice is audible now to everyone. Okay, sure. Thank you, guys. Um, Still, it's still my voice is not audible. Okay, wait. My screen is visible, right? So see here, just now I have sent this link, right? So this is the link. Okay, you can able to sign up the Salesforce as well. Before that, I want to show the data models, like sample data model, and sample the relationship how we can able to build. So after that, we can able to go to the UI. Sorry, AI, artificial intelligence, and in that in that I'm going to create the agent force as well, the agent as well, how it will perform. So basically, you should have to understand the agent as well. Before that, you should have to sign up. So sorry, I don't want to do a sign up because I'm having a lot of orgs. So this is a process that just I have pasted this link in that chat box and go to that link and just click that link. Okay. Uh, Sign up process, ma. This is sign up process in Salesforce. If you want to do a sign up, right? So in Salesforce, we're having editions like we're having a five editions here: professional edition, enterprise edition, essential edition, and unlimited edition, and developer edition. It's a developer edition, a free practice org. ప్రాక్టీస్ కోసం మనము ఈ ఎడిషన్ యూజ్ చేస్తాము. It's not a website, ma. Shalini, what we do through this website? No, no, it's not a website. It's a practice platform. If you want to do a practice, like for example, if you want to do a Java, if you want to do a Python, if you want to do a C++, then how you are going to practice? They're having a something. They have something a platform in that platform you are going to do a practice, right? Like that only Salesforce also, if you want to practice, then the Salesforce the given as a free edition, like free edition, guys. So in that free edition, we are going to do a practice. Okay. So it's a practice purpose. We should have to go, and this is the first name you can able to insert. Sorry, you can able to give, and job title like developer or software, and the work email you should have to give your personal email only, and the company like you can able to not a mandatory company uh, like you can put something company name, and uh, country you should have to mention, and after that enable the checkbox, and enable the I'm not a robot, then after the sign me up. After the sign me up, then go to your Gmail, and then you will get a verification link. Just click that and open that link, and reset your password, and give your new password, and the org it will be open like this. The org will be open like this. See here, if you got any kind of this page, right, then what you need to do, you need to click here, remind me later. Okay, remind me later. And this is a addition, this is a practice, or this is a Salesforce platform which we are going to practice, here. It's a simple one. Okay, in real time also you're going to work in this platform only. In real time, when you got a job in Salesforce, you should have to work in this platform only, everyone. Okay. uh, yes, this is a link. Again I'm sharing this link. Okay. uh, See here now. First of all, we can able to create small application. uh, like if you want to do a business, then you should have to create application, and in that application we are going to insert the data model. So the application name is loan management. I'm going to create loan management, just to see. So you can see here, and this is clouds. Clouds in the sense you can able to like clouds we have in Salesforce also we having a clouds. The cloud means in the cloud we the customer data it will be stored. Okay, and the customer wherever he go, and whenever he just log in, and he can able to see a data. The data it will be stored in clouds. Okay, how many clouds are there here? Sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud. Okay, and after that commerce cloud and experience cloud. Experience cloud. Okay, there are the clouds. We're having, we're having a lot of clouds. In real time, you should have to work on these clouds only, like not this one also not. You should have to work on sales and service and commerce and experience. This four clouds is mandatory. Okay. So these are all the clouds you can able to this application, like you can able to service cloud, and if you want to see the sales, like we are already in sales cloud, and these are all the objects, and these are all the objects. These are all the objects where it's standing. It's standing. It's standing on tabs. In tabs, if you give the access, if you give the object access for tabs, right, then only you can able to see the object in that application. In tabs, tabs, in tabs, if you are not allowing the object, then the object you can't able to see in this page. Okay, this is the applications, like that application we should have to create. Like I'm going to create one application. The application name is loan management. Okay, okay. If I want to create the application, what I need to do, I need to this is a gear icon. This is a gear gear icon, and you can able to see a setup. You can able to see a setup. This is setup. And whatever if you are doing is a modifying, whatever the configuration, then we should have to go in setup only. Okay, in setup only. And now we are going to create the application. The application name is loan management. And if you want to create loan management, then I should have to go with the app manager. App manager. Okay, just click. Like now, exactly what I'm doing now. I'm a new client. Now I want to run one new business. The business is loan management, and for the loan management, I want one application, correct? So that client is approaching to Salesforce people, and the client is asking to, I mean, the client is giving his requirement. This is my business, and you should have to create. You should, I mean, you should have to do a work as per my requirement. So now I'm a developer. I'm a Salesforce developer. I'm listening client requirement. Now I'm doing the requirement about the client. What he's telling to what is telling to me. Now his requirement is the loan management. First of all, I should have to create an application, and in home in quick find box, go to app. Okay. Now click new lightning app, and in that you should have to create a loan management application. Okay, and you can able to add your logo as well. For example, okay, uh, this is my logo. Okay, this is my logo I have uploaded. Now you can able to give a description as well, and this is the help text. Then what is the API name? What is the developer? And developer in the sense it's a API name. API, what is the API name? Comes from like for example, customer information. It's an object name. It's a label name. Okay, and in Salesforce, every activity what you have created, right? Then the Salesforce is generated one unique API name. The API name in the sense it's a application program interface, and you have created one object. The object name is customer info. Then the Salesforce created one API name, that is then how it's look like customer underscore information underscore C. So it's a API. It's an API. Okay, and it's a label and it's a API. So see here, it's a API. Automatically it will be populated. Now just click next, and here don't do anything. It's a standard one only. Just click next, and it's a utility item. Don't click anything. Just click next, and this is a main chapter. You can able to navigate. Like I want to navigate the objects. Like we're having a standard objects, right? Account, and after that contact, okay. Now I have added two objects. Just click next. Now it's a profile. What is a profile here? If like I have created I have signed up, right, this one, in the sense the sales give us one profile. The profile name is system administrator because I'm an admin, because I'm a CEO, because I'm an owner of this to this org. Okay, If you are not giving access to system administrator, then whatever you have created the application, right? That application you can't able to see in your org itself. Okay. So now just I'm not doing anything. Just I'm clicking a save and finish. I'm not. I have not given any kind of accesses. So now I have created loan management. Correct. I have created one application. The application name is loan man. This is loan management. I have created. Correct. So now where we can able to see that this application. So here, so here only you can able to. So before that, we should have to click refresh and remember whatever you are doing the Salesforce, and after it just click refresh, then it will be updated. So this is application we have created. So I want to search that application loan. So see here, I can't able to see that application. Why? Means I have not given the access to myself also. Uh, to myself also, I didn't given the access. So what I will do now, I will go edit. I will click edit and I will go navigation items. Sorry, I will go to user profiles and I need to search system administrator because I am the system administrator. Just click save and go back and refresh it. Okay. And here you can able to search loan management applicant. This is the application. This is the application. Okay. Now I want to create the object. Okay. This is done. Go to again care account, go to that. Then how to create the object? Just click object manager, create, and you can able to see a create button and click the custom object. And here label, like what's the application we have created? Loan management, right? For the loan management, what object it will become? It will come customer info. Okay, and it's a label name and object name. It's a API name. I'm not doing anything. Just it will be done. It will be auto populated. Now here the plural name you should have to give extra s because the duplicate name it will not match. So everything when you are creating right a plural name you should have to give s. Okay. Now it's a data type text and auto number. So what is the text? What's the difference between text and what is the difference between auto number? So here I already created objects rights. Okay. So for example, I have selected text. Okay. So you can able to see text 1 record, text 2 record, text 3, text 4, text 5, text 6, text 7, text 8, text 9. If I select data type as a text. If I select data type as auto number, right, then I can able to see the records. It will be 001. Like that, I can able to see the records. Okay, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I like that. I can able to see a record when I selected auto number. So now I'm going to select text. Then it's a optional features in the sense once the object see this is the object and this is the records. Now I want to pull the report, then you should have to give the access. If you're not given the access means you can't able to pull the report and activities tasks, and you should have to track a field who is doing anything. You can able to pull the field history as well and chatter groups and allow search in the sense in this app launcher you should have to search your object, so you should have to give allow search. Okay, and adds notes attachment, and after that launch new custom tab. Just click save and it will directly navigate to tabs. I already told you that this is a tab. Okay, On the tab, you can able to see account and contact. Now customer info and give style anything. Just click next and again click next. And this object, which application you should have to visible. And the client is asking, the client is telling that every object you should have to show on only the loan management application only. Okay, in this application only, the objects should be visible. The object should not visible on other applications. So what I will do, I will deactivate, and after that activate for only load management. Just click save. Okay. So now go and refresh, and you sometimes it will take time, and sometimes it will be reflect at the time. Okay. Refresh. Refresh. I'm telling you, sometimes it will be take time, sometimes it will be reflect at a time. If you're not able to see right, then you can able to see here edit button, right? Just click the edit and click add more items and click all and search here customer info, correct? Just click add it and click add now item, click save. Then you can able to see the object. Okay. If you got something, just click open in Salesforce Classic. Just click it, and you can able to see the record. This is a page. This is the account object, and this is the contact object, and this is custom info. I'm not doing. Sorry, I'm not getting anything right. If you want to create a record, just click a new, and here where okay, no customer infos. Okay, this is a text one. This is a record. When you created a record, the name it will be default. The name it will be default, guys. The four fields it will be default. The Salesforce it will be create. And what are the four fields? Then if you want to check the fields, like for example, if you want to create a new fields again on the object which you have created, okay, go to like for example, if you yeah, I'm going to show you again. Click get icon, click setup. Now I want to create email. Now I want to create phone. Now I want to create address. Three fields I should have to create, and the city also I should have to create. And click object manager, and click create. Click custom object. Sorry, not custom object. I need to create a fields, right? So now in the quick frame box, search custom info. This is object we have created, and click fields and relationship. And after that, this is the four fields is created automatically when you are creating a new object. Now click new. I want to create a new fields on this particular object. Click new and email. This is a data types. This is a data types. Just click email. Just click next and email. Like you can able to give label anything, customer email. Okay, click next. Next, and like we are going to create other field. So just click a new. If you're not creating other fields, just click save. Now I want to create other two fields. That's why I'm clicking a save and new. Email after phone is what is the data type? I should have to click the phone data type. Next, then here customer phone. Next, and save and new. Now next step, I should have to create address. The address, what data type I should have to select here? I should have to select text area long. Okay, in that you can able to see 1,31,072 characters on the spread lines. Text area in the sense you can able to add 20 to 25 characters. Okay, text. Text you can add only, I guess, 120 characters you can able to add this. So I have one. So now I'm going to select text area along. Just click next, and you can able to add here description. The label name is description. You can able to add. Okay. Now click next. Click next, and save and renew. And he's coming like which state? He's from which state? So the drop down. If you click a state, then you can able to say drop down, right? India and USA and Canada, Singapore. Sorry, countries. I'm from India, like that. I should have to select. That is what as a pick list. Allow users to select a value from the list you define. Just click next, and you can write here country. Okay, and then now I want to write the values. India, Singapore, UK, USA, and Canada. Okay. Now click next. Next, save it. So I have created 4 fields. Now you can able to refresh. Like at a time you can't able to see, right? Then what we need to do, if it is you can't able to see at a time, then you can able to, then we're having a one more option to check immediately. You can go your profile, and you can able to see switch to Salesforce Classic. It is there, right? Just new tab, and the Salesforce Classic, when they are used in 1999, the Salesforce is launched, right? On the time they are using it Salesforce Classic, this only, Salesforce Classic only. In 2016, from 2016 only, they have created a Lightning. This is a Lightning. This is a Salesforce Lightning, and this is a Salesforce Classic. Okay, now you can able to see your object. Uh, Click plus, and search here the customer info. Okay, customer info, and just click new. And you can able to see the field, the values. Okay, now I have created a text. Now here I have created a text one, right? Now I'm going to the text two. Something I have given, and phone number and description. And I have selected this one values as well. I can able to select. Let's click save. Okay, now the record is created. Now go back and click customer info. Then you can able to do records. See, now also I'm not able to see in Lightning, so it will take time. Just click refresh and do a refresh, long refresh. Do a long refresh, then you can able to see. Currently, I'm not able to see. Okay, just wait a minute, guys. Hmm. 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 Guys, just take 10 minutes break. We will come back. Job title, company name. I mean, it's your wish. Like job title, you should have to put developer or else So job title you should have to put developer, and company name you can put something like XYZ, or else Wipro, or else Infosys, or else SmartBridge. You can put anything. To create another one object, the object name is payment. Like in loan management, I have created loan management application, and in data model, what data model I have, I'm going to select application name is loan management. In that data model is two objects, which is customer info, which we have created, and next object we are going to create payment info. Okay, this payment info, and in that customer info we have created a fields name already. It's a default. We are not going to create name field. When you create a new custom object, then the name it will be created automatically. Okay, name which what field we have created: email, phone, and address, and sorry, address in the sense description and country, which we have created. Now in payment info, what we need to create here, we need to create auto number. Like we have selected as a text data, while we have created a custom object, we have selected data type as a text. Now while we creating a custom payment info, we need to select auto number. Okay, in that auto number, we are not going to see name field. It will be automatically what we are going to create a record. It will be 001, 002, 003, like that. The records will be created. 001 name, okay, auto number. Now I'm going to create here paid amount, balance amount, paid amount, balance amount, and after that I need to connect and to connect this object to this object. Okay, means in this payment info, I'm adding a customer info. In payment info, I'm adding a customer info object. Means here what it will become? It's a lookup. It's a lookup. It's a lookup relationship. So the payment info it will be become child, and customer info it will become parent. Child and parent. Okay, clear? This is a data model. This is a data model. This is a data model. Clear, everyone? What we can select relationship salesforce in sixth step. Relationship. Okay. So the mail it will show. You should have to give your personal email ID correctly. Then only you will receive an email in your Gmail. Okay, and in that Gmail, just click and receive your password. That's it. Simple. Okay. Now we have. Now I need to create payment info object. Okay. Now I should have to go again object manager. Then again, I need to show how you need to create a object. Just click gear icon, click setup, and in that select object manager, and click create and click custom object. And now the next object name is payment information. Okay, and plural name payment informations. And here data type, previously what we have selected text. Now I'm going to select auto number. Then what you can able to see, right? Then this is the example they have given. Copy and paste here the display format. And here uh, customer payment. Okay, customer payment, and this is a format, and the record it will be start from first record 001. The starting record is it's coming from 001. Now you should have to give allow access allow and allow access to all and adds notes and attachment, and directly it will navigate to app launcher. Just click save. Then after that, what you can able to see indirectly is navigate to directly tabs and select any logo and click next, and again click next. Again same, this object it should visible on only the loan application management application. Just click save. Okay, my work is done. Now go back and refresh the page. Refresh the page. Okay, see here now the data is coming perfectly. Now I need to add another one object. Just click edit and click add more items and then click all, and from here search payment information. Payment, this is the payment informations. Okay. Now click payment information. I'm having two objects. I'm having it two objects. So what I do, I will edit the object name because I don't want to confuse. Just click edit and payment information data. Okay. The label name is payment information data, the payment information datas. Okay. And here you need to add payment information underscore data. Okay, this is API name. Just click save. Now go back and click refresh. And now payment information, I can able to see the record. Something went wrong showing because I have edited, right? I have edited a record name, so that's why the name is not showing. Sorry, I have edited a object name, so it's showing us something went wrong. So what I do, click again, customer info. Okay, now click edit, add more, click all, payment information data. You can able to see and click add and click save. The problem is saving out change. Okay, it's already added, but the name is not showing. The name is not changed currently. So it will be changed. Yeah, it should take 1 or 2 minutes because it's a lightning experience. Whatever you have created, right? It will take 1 or 2 minutes to generate. Okay, after that, we are what we have done. We have edited a API name also. So that's why it will take time to update here. So until you can refresh it, or else you can log out and log in, then you can able to see the data again perfectly. So now you can able to see the data, payment information data correctly. Just click and uh, just click new. See here, while we have created a customer info, then you can able to see now the data is coming perfectly. So what I do, You can, yes, Vijayalakshmi, you can give a job title as a developer or a software. Sure, Aspia, you can, I mean, you can able to see a recording as well. You can watch the recording. You can able to understand very clearly. And this session for only the admin, sorry, only the agent force, only the AI. What is the AI? Then how we need to create the AI. So I'm just exploring about the admin. You need to, then you should have to uh, understand about basic knowledge on Salesforce. Okay. So after that, we are going to deep dive in that AI. So just give me a few minutes. After that, I will show you how you need to create the AI. Before that, what we need to do. Okay. Partner to employee. Okay, very good. It's a yes. It's a trial head. Okay, it's a trial head one. Okay, see here. Now I'm going to search payment info data. Okay, now fields and relationship. Click new. Now I need to create two fields, which is date, payment date. Just click next. Payment date. Okay, click next. Next. And save and new. And next amount, which sorry, next field is currency. Which field? Paid amount. Paid amount. Just click next. Just click next. Next. Save it. Now I need to add a lookup relationship with customer info object. So what I did, so how I need to add a just click again new, and in that you can able to see a lookup relationship and master data relationship, right? Like same process. Just understand, just concentrate here how I'm connecting here. Just click lookup relationship, just and click next. Then which object I should have to connect? I should have to connect with customer info. Customer info with this, yes, customer info object. Just click next, and the label name, or else you can put same, or else you can able to change the label name as well. It's not an issue. Just click next. Click next. Click next and save it. So I have connected a relationship between what is this? It is lookup. Okay, customer info. Okay, I have connected a customer info in payment information object. So go back and refresh it. Then you can able to see a lookup field. Then you can able to see a lookup field in payment information object of customer info. Just click next. Sorry, click new. If you want able to see, then where you need to go? You need to go classic version. Classic version. And click dash. Now search the object payment info payment data, payment information data. Now just click new. Then you can able to see here customer info lookup, which we have added. Now date, select date, anything, and paid amount, which is 20,000, and which customer he is click text to one. Click next. We go back and see here the customer data it is created. The first, and he paid 20,000, and which is a customer, he is a customer. Customer info and text one, he is a customer, and we have connected here. So in parent also you can able to select here text one, and in related you can able to see a data he connected. Means simple, it's a parent And in related tab, whatever objects you can able to see, right? It's a child. The payment information, it's a name, it's which we have created. It's a child. Okay, it's a connection between one object to other object. It is called data. This is sample data model. It's a sample data model. Okay, got it, everyone. Now we are going to create the agent. Now we are going to create a agent. Okay, sure. Okay, this is a data model. Now this is simple data model. Now I'm going to now the next topic is agents. How to create the agent. I'm going to now I'm going to very slow. This is sample only, which I have explained till now. The admin in the Salesforce, what is the data model? Like if you understand the data model, then then only you can able to understand everything. In Salesforce, the best thing if you want to learn it is it first thing is data model. If you understand the data model, right, like which objects and what fields in that object and which object to which object we have connected. If you understand the data model, then only you can able to understand everything. So it's a basic understanding of Salesforce data model, and I've explained about what is a Salesforce and when it's launched and who's the owner and what is the additions and how we need to create a data model and how we need to create a application, and in that how we need to insert a objects and how we need to create a tabs. Now I'm going to create one agent. Like what is the agent exactly? Now here, what is the agent as per your question, as per your knowledge? Can anybody tell me what is the agent? Agent in the sense it's a customer support. Think it's a customer support. What is the customer support meaning? Anyone? What is the customer support meaning? Anyone? Yes. Okay. Mm, okay, Dishni. Okay, very good. So, okay, Dishni, Priya, you're telling who was helping customer, correct? So how he is helping the customer? Like for example, I'm a customer. I'm having issue with my product. So how I can approach? Okay, okay, Dhanasri, you're telling just guiding the client. Okay, guiding the client, right? It's a good answer. So uh, the company people, how they will guide to the customer, how they will guide to the customer. Anyone? Very good, nice answer, Sania. It's a impressive answer. It's a very impressive answer. Why impressive in the sense you have mentioned as a instruction. You have mentioned as a what is the instruction here? Based on our prompt, like I want to talk with the customer agent. This is my prompt. That prompt, it will be go to the database and the instruction it will give the answer. It is a based on prompt, based on instruction it will give the answer. Yes, okay. Uh, it is by asking about benefits and advantages, disadvantages. Okay. Mhm. Okay, see here. I'm going to show you a small example. Then you can able to clarify everything. What is the agent exactly? You can able to understand very easily. So you do you know like who are using the HDFC Bank or SBI? Like if you open the net banking, right? Like for example, I'm opening a HDFC Bank net banking. Mm, For example, I'm opening this one bank. Okay. So you can able to see here one option. Mm, Okay. Eva. Okay. So here, what is it? Agent. Agent. It is a you can able to assume it's a personal your personal assistant. Okay. So I can't able to see one logo. If I click that logo, then it will give up. It will. I mean, it will open one small pop-up. In the pop-up, we can able to ask something. Ask Eva. SBI. Then in every application, they're having agent. I'm just searching that agent. Okay. Okay. See here. You can able to see my screen, right? So you can able to see this option, correct? It is a personal assistant. It's a personal assistant and it's an agent as well. Yes, hi. If I'm giving a prompt, hi. If I click hi, right, then it will be giving a instruction. What instruction he is giving to us? Hello, how may I help you? Correct. He is giving a instruction to us when I have given a question, when I have given a prompt. Yes, I want to open my account, bank account. If I ask I want to open bank account, then see here how smart it is. The agent is language requests. Okay, what is the NLL? NLL is a good thing, which is natural language request. Okay, what is remember natural language request in agent? See here, natural language NLM in the sense, if you asking something, it is, uh, for example, if you're not good in English, if you're, your communication is poor, then if you ask something right, then the agent he will understand very clearly. That is called it as a natural language request. Natural language request, and its access is CRM data in real time and execute complex businesses across sales and service and marketing. Along with that, acting as a virtual teammate to automate tasks, providing insights and enhance. Okay, guys, see here. The agent you should have to create like different department. We're having agents. So for that agent, you should have to learn about the trailhead modules. You should have to understand about the agent and how it will work. If you want to understand the agent, then you should have to uh, create a. You should have to create a trailhead link. Like if you click here, trailhead, then you should have to click Trailhead Academy, and you should have to click login, and you need to click sign up. Just click the sign up. Okay, and you must just click Google only. You should have to select. You should have to select your Gmail. Okay, don't select Salesforce. You should have to select Gmail only and give your Gmail and password. And after that, it will ask the 6 options like which is a customer. You should have to click a Salesforce employee, and after that, which state, which city, and job ready like a developer, and click next. Then how it will be look like if you sign up right, then the page it will be open like this, like this it will be open. Okay, and if someone is login right, right here. Okay, so this is my account. This is my Trailhead account. So if you want to learn so you should have to know about the agent force. You should have to know about the agent, how it will work. Then you need to go. Then you need to register a Trailhead, and in that you can able to see a search Trailhead. Right, just click here, and you should have to type here champion. Okay, then you should have to complete this champion. You should have to complete, and it will take around 2 to 3 hours. That's it. Then every step you should have to go. You should have to read and complete it. And this is a become a agent blazer champion. It is a right. Just open this one. Agent blazer champion. Okay. And in that you can able to see a few modules, and every module it's asking to do something. Okay. It's asking, it will be giving a very brief introductions and a very brief explanation how you need to create the agent and what's the agent, how you need to enable the agent. Everything it is going to give the a proper response to you, and everything, and everyone should complete the agent force champion. It's mandatory. If you complete the agent force champion, then only you will get more benefit. Okay. Yes. Yes, sure. See here, this session is agenda for only the agent force, like what is the agent, what's the AI, and till now I explained what is the AI, and I have showed the example as well. And this is the example, and how you given a prompt, and based on the prompt, it will give the instruction. Okay, and in agent, the mandatory part is the instruction. While you creating a agent, right? The instruction should be properly good. Okay, and if someone is asking anything, then based on the prompt, and you should have to give the response from the instruction only. So the instruction is mandatory, and after that the agent, what he will do, he will capture the data, and he will create the data, and he will give the data. Like I have created two records, right? I have created a few records. In this object I have created two records, and in this object I have created one record. Okay, if if you ask the agent, if you ask the agent, what you can ask the agent, can you please tell me the text one, text in this yeah, in text one, what data it is there? Can you please show me? If you ask like this, right, it will give you a response. Everything, whatever the data is there, it will give to you. Okay, that, like, how it is possible? I mean, you should have to create. You should have to do a configuration, and you should have to create a agent. And in that agent, you need to uh, insert this object data. Then only the agent, it will pull the data, and it will give a response to you. Yes, in text one record I found, in that record I can able to see these are all the data. It will be give a response like this. So the agent, uh, the in that agent, the agent can create a data, the agent can delete a data, the agent can update a data as well. Everything it will be do a agent. The agent, in the sense, agent force. It's a very complex logical thing in Salesforce. Like it will be reduce lot of time, and wherever the employees are working, and wherever the employees are creating a record, wherever the employees are updating a record, with the help of the agent force can do within few minutes, because it's a AI, it's a artificial intelligence. Okay, clear everyone? Yes, Purnima. Already it's recorded, then it will be uh, the recording will be shared EOD, or just tomorrow. Yes, Sanjay, what is my DC? Sanjay, what is my DC? I'm going to share this one. Okay, this link, and go to this link. Everyone, just click that link, and it will directly navigate to champion, and you can complete the module as well. Okay, everyone should complete the champion. Okay, it's mandatory to you all. Okay, and yeah, and what should we do? Yes, see here, if you open the champion, right, in every module, you can, if you open the module, right, if I open the first module, you can able to see 5 topics. Just click one topic, and you can and first of all read this topic. What does that mean, and what is asking? In every topic, you can able to see, choose the correct answers. Like this is how you can able to see. What's the difference between data-driven decision making and traditional decision making? Okay, like this question, you should have to like you should have to give a response. In every module you can able to see options, and how you can able to give the answer. If you read this one, in this only you can able to find the answer. Okay, and the options you can able to see. After that, second, in second also same like that only. In second topic also, read this properly and give the choose the correct answer properly. Okay, like that we are having a how many overall? We are having a few modules. You should have to complete the all modules. Okay, we're having a time. Just to go to the time, and you should have to complete the module, guys. It's a mandatory to you. There is no compromise. If you complete the module, then only we can. Then only if, you can understand very clearly when I will explain the real time scenario. When you complete this one, you can't able to get at a time. It will take some time because it's a new for you. It will take time. It will take time. If you complete this one, right, when after that, when I explain one agent, if I explain one real-time scenario to create a agent, then you can able to understand very clearly. Yes, this is the agent. Like we can, yes, we got a confidence. Like I can give the interview as well. I can able to crack the interview like that. You can able to get the confidence, guys. Okay, hope you are good. Okay, we will meet next time. Okay, guys. His company name you can put anything, man. Company name you can put like ABC, XYZ, or a Smart Bridge, or else Wipro, or else Infosys. Like that, you can able to put the company name. It's not a mandatory. Okay, that we want to finish. So, sir, show the title that we want to finish. Yes, you can put. Yes, you can put. What is that? And sir, show the title that we want to finish. Yes, see, this is title. This is champion. Okay. In see here in search one, in search bars, just type champion. Just click enter, and you can able to see first option, which is become an agent placer. Okay, this is a title. Become an agent placer. Yes, yes, Abhinaya, and it will just go through that. You can understand very clearly step by step. Okay. Okay, guys. Next time we can meet. Okay. Bye bye, guys. See you. Take care. And thanks for your time, guys.
The webinar has ended. Thank you for joining.